we can actually begin coding a bot. So I'm going to open up my IDE. You can use any IDE as long as it can code Python. So I use a Visual Studio Code or VS Code. So we are going to make a new folder here. So new folder. And we will be making a one file bot, but there are lots of tutorials out there on how to make a multi-file bot. So now we're going to just make our tutorial bot folder. And now we will begin making our bot. So a new file from here. So new file, and we will be saving this inside of our bot folder as a Python file. So there you go, and I'm gonna name it main.py. So now we're going to import some stuff. So that's it. So it's importing our bot library. Why am I saying bot? Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to import Discord. Done. And now we're just going to make a bot variable. And so it equals commands.prefix. No. Dot bot. And then command prefix equals, let's say, a question mark. And now all we have to do is run it with our token from earlier. So I'm gonna copy that. And you can't even try and take my token because I am going to change it right after this video. So I recommend making a token variable. And then just writing token in there. So now if we run this, also if you're just using Notepad or something, just double click on here. There you go, it's online. Our tutorial bot is online. And that's it. And that's it for actually making the bot go online functional. But now we have to add some commands, don't we? So here we go. I'm going to stop that. And now we will be making an event called onReady, and it's pretty self-explanatory. So basically, when the bot boots up, it will use this event and execute any commands in it. So at bot.event, no parentheses, because we only add parentheses on a bot.command, and that we will dive into later. So now we're gonna do async def, and we will be making onReady. Done. And now what we're gonna do is bot is ready as a print, and we will be changing its looks. Okay, just wait. So we will be opening a bot, and it should say bot is ready. There you go, and it's online. So there you go. Also, be sure to join the server if you have any questions. We have lots of people who have experience with bots. Okay, so just yeah. Now we are going to change its rich presence. As you see here, like it has text as its game, so dash help, glad to be of service, or playing King of the Hat, or playing VS Code, or playing its website. So we're going to change that. So end your bot, and we will do await bot.change presence, and now we're going to do activity equals discord.game, and then the name equals I am a bot. Okay, and I will change this after. So now if you just run this, hopefully there's no errors. Yep, there's no errors. And it says playing I am a bot. there you go. And yeah, that's pretty much how to change its game. It's rich presents. And I'm just gonna make it be in do not disturb. Hmm, that's weird. Do not disturb. Yeah, that's weird. I'll look into that later, but yeah, so that's pretty much how you do it. So now what we're going to do is we will we will make our first command. So bot command, and now you actually add parentheses, not with the event, only with the command. And now we're going to make our first command, which is ping. So async def ping, and we'll just make it say. Also, we need the context of a command. And what is the context, you might ask? The context is where was this command called? Who called it? What is the avatar of the person who called it? What is the avatar of the author? What is, like, that kind of stuff? What server? What channel? When? What time? If the author has nitro, like all that stuff. See, look, so now it decides to go into do not disturb. See, like, I knew it would work, but anyway, so I don't know. So now it's actually offline. It's a Windows error kind of thing. I don't know why. I will report it in the official server here. But yeah. So now we will make our first command. So the context is in a variable called ctx. Okay. And now all we're going to do is await ctx dot channel dot send. And in here we're gonna say pong. Now if we run this. So now our command prefix is a question mark, so we would just do and I'm gonna make a new channel. So ping pong. There you go. Our tutorial bot said pong. And yes, it's a functional bot. And also, there is something that we need to do before it could be a functional bot. Now we just have to do. Now every bot has a default help command, but I do not like these help commands. It looks pretty ugly. And I mean, if you like it, then you could always use it, because your original help command automatically updates based on how many commands you have and what your prefix is. And if you change along the line, you don't actually have to update your help command manually. So I'm going to remove that help command, and I'm going to bot.remove command help. Now if we restart the bot, it should say bot is ready. Now if we do the help command, it doesn't actually respond because we removed the help command. So now how do we add our own custom one? Yeah, you just use the same concept in the ping command and just change it to help, and then you can make your own here. And then if you want new lines, actually do /n, and it has to be it's not a, okay, look, it's that kind of slash. So now we are going to remove that because I'm not actually going to add it, but you could do that along the lines. So I'm going to add a professional ping command. As you see on my on my own Majestic bot, I have, let's see, look, a help command. Well, okay, so I have like a lot of bots with the same command prefix, which I have to change, but yeah. So, so now here's my own Majestic bot, and look, so it has a command prefix, blah blah blah. Now it's a nice help command. So now you see we have embed command. So I'll just do embed, and look, yeah, there you go. Ponybot already has it. So it says check DMs, and it's a professional check DMs thing. So now embed, hi, I am an embed. See, look, now Ponybot. Glitch. See, look, my bot is better. Anyway, it says hi, I'm an embed. Hi, I am an embed. And yeah, it looks more professional than saying hi, I am an embed. So now how do we actually make an embed? So we go here and we make a new variable. So embed message, or just embed. This okay. You make your own variables. I'll do embed message equals a new embed object from our libraries, and we're going to make it have a title of a ping pong emoji, and then I'm gonna make it say pong, and then the text we'll call it, it'll say our ping, no, I am running at MS. And now I'm going to actually add an F over here, because that way we could have variables in our thing. So now we're going to make a new variable called ping, and I'm just gonna take it. So, latency, and then we're gonna do latency equals bot.latency times 1000. Oh yeah, and we forgot to actually send the embed, but first I want to change the color. So embed message dot sets color. Yeah, set. No, I'll just do it from here. Color equals 0x0080ff, and it's a hex. So you remove the hash symbol and you replace it with 0 and x. And then I have to send the embed with embed equals, and then your variable. So embed message is my variable. And now you just run it, and we have a professional looking embed. But bot is ready, and we'll do question mark ping. There you go. I'll look into the math stuff later. I forgot how to round. I'm not even joking, but yeah, it's professional looking. Wait, is it? No, it can't be. Okay. Okay, so now we have our basic, have our basic command right there. And that's pretty much it. And lots of other ways of having like avatar commands is doing ctx.message.author stuff. And you could also do this, so it's ctx.message.author send. And then what I could actually do is it messages you your ping message, and that's actually how to DM people. ctx.message, and your message is the command, and the author of the command, which is who called it, and then send is in DMs. So, and then it says that. So now we're just going to undo that, And then if you send it in the channel, then it sends it there. And that's pretty much it. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe. I have many more videos coming about programming and technology and other cool stuff like this. And yeah, so I have many unprofessional videos, but now since I have better gear, I've upgraded. So now I have a camera, tripod, better microphone, Photoshop. So yeah, you should be tuned. Join my Discord server for any help with this. I am always active on there. It boots up my computer, so I'm pretty much always online. And yeah, bye.